Welcome to Orpheus Singing, a workshop aimed at developing self-connection and expression through the presence of your voice. Orpheus Singing is not your standard vocal practice. Inspired by the legendary Greek hero Orpheus, known for his enchanting music, this workshop helps you connect deeply with your voice, body, and the child within you. Through a series of unique vocal warm-ups and exercises, you'll revitalize your vocal capacity, improve your posture, and enhance your diction. Research shows that vocal expression is deeply connected to our emotion. Engaging in vocal activities can significantly improve our emotional state and overall well-being. At Creatosphere, our Orpheus Singing workshops are designed to be both entertaining and beneficial, ensuring every participant enjoys and learns. Here is an interesting fact. Singing can release endorphins and oxytocin, the hormones that make you feel happy and connected. This natural high can boost your mood and reduce stress. Would you like to improve your connection with your voice? Join our Orpheus Singing workshops and discover the magic of self-expression through music.